This is one of those products that looks almost boring until you realize how well it works. The Deonatulle, or unscented deodorant stick, does exactly what it promises and then politely gets out of the way. So I've got 2 sticks here. This one I think I just bought. Yeah, it hasn't been really dealt with. And then this one I just started using recently. You can see it's been dug into a little bit here. So this product has not a lot of perfume, if any, no clouds of scent, not trying to pretend it's skincare or a lifestyle choice or anything like that. It's a top seller in Japan where I live, consistently ranked #1 over the years, and I've been buying it for years. It's based on an alum mineral, which works by stopping odor-causing bacteria rather than covering things up with fragrance. So instead of smelling like fresh mountain breeze, you mostly just smell like nothing, which is honestly the goal. It goes on dry and silky. It doesn't leave white marks or residue. It just doesn't mess with your clothes and it feels great. I like that it plays nicely with perfume or cologne, which I enjoy a lot. And it's also a solid option if you've got sensitive skin or just don't want extra ingredients hanging around on your armpits all day. That said, it's more about odor control than stopping sweat completely. So if you want full concrete level antiperspirant power, this isn't that. If you want something simple, unscented, quietly effective, this is one of those why didn't I try this sooner products.